Oh, hello, this is Tak Chong from Walk with Tak, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And my friend David has asked me to show him how to cook scrambled eggs in the wok. He told me that he was just starting to learn to cook. I told him that it's very simple. However, he said that nothing is too simple for him when it comes to cooking. So okay, this video is for David. I am using my Cucina 14-inch stainless steel wok to cook this dish. Upon my recommendation, David purchased the same wok. Stainless steel woks are often considered by most people not to be a good choice because they are more difficult to season in creating a non-stick surface. However, by seasoning the wok before each cooking session with my spot seasoning method as shown in this video, it is not a problem. After spot seasoning the wok, I'm going to crack 5 eggs directly into the wok. This method makes better scrambled eggs, in my opinion. Using this method, the texture of the scrambled egg is more similar to fried eggs, with a separation in the egg yolks and egg white, giving distinct texture throughout the scrambled eggs. At this point, I turn down the heat of the stove to low. In fact, quite often, I shut off the heat completely because the Cucina 14-inch stainless steel wok has such excellent heat holding capacity that there's enough heat to finish cooking the dish. I let the egg white slightly cook before I use the wok spatula to break up the yolks and then scramble the remaining of the eggs. This will give the egg white a distinct texture as you will find in a fried egg. I noticed that some of the egg got stuck to the bottom of the wok, suggesting I should have spot seasoned the wok a little bit longer. Nevertheless, it was not bad at all, and I was able to use the wok spatula to scrape them off. The eggs are now about half cooked, and I add some frozen vegetable mix. I need to add them before the eggs are fully cooked. This way I can make sure that the frozen vegetable mix get to the same temperature as the egg when the dish is done. By now the eggs are close to be done. I add some shredded cheese to the egg. Now the cheese will melt and incorporate into the eggs rapidly. By this time, you should have turned off your stove if you have not already done so. The remaining heat left in the wok will finish cooking the dish. Now if you are using an electric stove like I am doing, you should probably turn off the heat much earlier. Next, I'm going to season the dish with some of my basic seasoning mix. Now this seasoning mix is made from the seasoning agents in my masala daba. It is convenient for me to have them pre-mixed and ready to go. This seasoning mix intends to enhance the natural flavor of the dish with minimum level of salt, which I try to avoid as much as possible to reduce my salt consumption. This will help me to keep my blood pressure low. This dish is really fast to cook. And the wok is excellent in cooking this dish because the constant stirring reduces the cook time and cooking it in about 2.5 minutes. Well, so what is the verdict? If you ask me, I would tell you that this is the best scrambled egg dish that I have ever had. Well, maybe I'm a little biased. Well, honestly, it is terrific, particularly the texture of the eggs with the separation in the egg whites and egg yolks. The flavor and texture are the best of both worlds. The frozen vegetable mix offers a freshness to the flavor of the egg, and the cheese adds richness to the dish. The basic seasoning hits the perfect spot. It enhances the natural flavor of the ingredients by enriching the umami flavor of the dish. Of course, in my opinion, this overall flavor is unparalleled. Since this dish is based on a basic template in scrambled eggs in the wok, you can create many different versions by substituting the ingredient, modifying the flavor, and also adjusting to the cooking techniques to create your personalized versions. This dish exemplifies my fast cooking system in flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time.